We're gonna drop this ball onto this ramp. Wait, is it like filming?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna hit the dominoes, which is gonna push this cart thing and burn the string, which releases the hammer and knocks over this glass of water, which wets this paper and drops the egg into the sink.
Okay. Ready? Go. Oh wait, no.
No!
Sit down. I'll tell you when to go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
What happened?
I don't know. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Go.
There!
Oh, completely. Why is my... I think I had to help.
Here we go.